Alright, early birthday gifts. You ready?
Yes.
There you go.
Okay, hold on. This is a mobile phone holder. And is this gonna have a light in the phone? This can hold the phone? Wow.
It's heavy and compact.
Nice. Wow. Oh my God.
What? So
Wow.
That's what you hold your phone on, I believe.
Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so I am in the bathroom. The reason I'm in the bathroom is because this is where we keep our laundry, and I am about to do laundry. This is a part of the packing video. Yay! Because we are going to Lisbon. Woo! Yay! I'm so excited. I know, right? Because I work literally leading up to the days that I'm going out of the country. So this is my off day. It's Friday, and we leave Monday. And I close Sunday, so. I had to take a break, y'all. Like, it's been like 2 hours since I started sorting. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loads, and then 1 more load in the bathroom. Don't ask me what happened. How I like to sort my clothes is I like to do my shirts and my, undergarment stuff, together, and then my pants separate. And Zach, he doesn't sort his stuff. And today I was like, you know what? I'm gonna sort it for him. He was at work. So I decided to go through his stuff, and I'm like, oh my God, Zach has more clothes than me, y'all. This man has more clothes than me. And then we had towels and stuff and our bed sheets and all that I separated. So it's a lot. I told him we need to go to the laundromat. We cannot do this at home. No. The washer installment that they have here and all that is good for small loads. It would take us all night long to do all this, to do all of this laundry. So I told him, no, we are going to the laundromat. Plain and simple. So we're in the laundromat, washing it up. Because this would have took all night long if we tried to do it at home. All night long. And I was not trying to be up all night long, and I need to pack.
All night long.
I did that earlier. They have this cool vending machine where you put the money in and you open the door to grab what you want. That is so cool. I've never seen one of those before.
I think maybe once I've seen them, but not rare. They're very rare for sure. It was old too.
So we made it back home. Y'all can hear Zach. He's in the background playing music. He's folding clothes. I don't fold clothes, y'all. I don't do it. I don't need to. Okay, my stuff do not be coming out wrinkly. Like, y'all see this shirt? Did not iron it. No, I did not. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to try this because I don't know. When I was in the store, I just looked. I was like, dang, I'm kind of craving that. And I be seeing people do it all the time, on TikTok. So I'm like, I wanna, give it a try. So supposedly, I'm supposed to. So literally I have so much stuff. This is something I'm gonna sleep in. I have some more stuff that I'm gonna sleep in. And then I have all my clothes underneath this one in the little pocket thingy thing. And then here I have some fancy stuff, and I have my shoes in the little compartment thing underneath here. And then I also have my toiletries and all that stuff. So anyways, I'm just really tired, and yeah, y'all saw everything that we did today, so it was a lot. I have work in the morning, so I'm going to sleep. We're gonna continue packing over the weekend, but that was just me getting all of the important stuff in the bag. A start, because you don't want to wait to the day of to start packing. You don't want to wait to the day of to start packing, because that's when you start leaving stuff behind. Zach is sitting over there, y'all can't see him. So yeah, don't want to have any of those problems. And I know I need to get some mini bags. I need to get some mini bags because I want to take as much snacks of my own as possible, because they're not about to get me. They're not about to get us.
No, I'll pay $40 on the airplane.
We'll see. I've never had airplane food before, like actual dinner. I'm kind of curious to see what Swiss looks like, because Zach says they're pretty nice. So anyways, we're about to eat. Zach is warming up leftovers that we have, and I'm gonna go to bed because I deserve some sleep. It's been a busy day. So Zach wants to give me my birthday presents because he say I can take it to Lisbon. You said it's one thing that's for the house though, right?
Yeah.
One thing for the house though. So he wants to give it to me now. Today is, what is today? The
Saturday,
14th?
14th.
It's the 14th. My birthday is the 20th, but I told him fine. You can give it to me early. Mind y'all, what my phone is standing on, he also gave me that. Let me see this.
Don't mind the bag on me then.
Okay.
Here's the bag, boys.
Okay. He don't want to come on camera. He say he's looking.
What it, bro?
Aww. Ah. Oh my God. It's a bag. Let me explain something. So I have a bag, but my bags always be breaking and stuff, and you know, it's been a rough adventure. This bag looks really nice. So I should open it. Okay. Also, you said I can wear it. Mind you.
Yeah. Good.
This is so cute. I have a fit kind of similar to this. It's a pink one. Okay, so this is it's a two-piece. Nice. Mind y'all, we are overpacking because you know it's important to have extra clothes. Plus, we take multiple showers. So, thank you. Okay, literally, I just bought some jewelry because I was like, I don't have anything really nice. Look at this. Bam. Bam. And this can fit with my little fancy dress that I got. Y'all don't see. Y'all don't get to see it yet. Is this one of them blender thingies? Those blender thingies, y'all. I be seeing these things. Like, people always be using it on TikTok, YouTube. They be, you know, making little nice fancy drinks with this. Thank you. Oh my God. I love it. I want to show you guys something. Zach is packing right now, but I want to show you guys the little Euros. Look at them. Look at them. This is so cool. Like, what? Like, this is what y'all walking around with? These are huge. This is the 5 compared to the 100. Wow. Different size. So y'all, I went to the store and I had got some stuff. I bought socks because I was being lazy. I told y'all already that, you know. But I did get some socks. I got some socks and saved my life because my socks would have been mismatched if I was having to go through my clothes to find some matching socks. Then your girl got some lashes because it's gonna be popping, period. I'm gonna wear some on the day there. I haven't really worn lashes lately. I don't really like to wear them. Like, it's a waste of money and I don't really need them. I'm not saying that people need them. If you want them, whatever, but I don't, you know, it's my birthday and I want to be looking, you know, flashy, cute, different. So I bought some. And I got some liner because your girl is gonna get that liner on, period, and be looking cute. And I bought earrings, you know, to wear. because I just honestly needed some new ones. I threw out all the ones that I had, or most likely lost them. I also got these two, because you know you always need that. I have like different holes. I actually have more of these. I just don't often like change my, you know, industrial. I don't know why. I don't know. And I don't really ever change this one either, but I can. Zach had bought me some, so. I will never touch this nose ring until I'm completely sure that I'm ready to do it. It's just, I'm so scared to take it out. Like, sometimes I'll hit it and it just be the worst pain in the world, okay? The worst. I also got one of those like little traveling chargers, because we definitely, I don't know, should have this. Like when we're out and about and, you know, want to make sure we have charged phones. We set up this thing where a driver is going to pick us up from the airport, because we won't know jack squat. So it's nice to have this little setup.
And it was like relatively cheap compared to like, I mean, so it's like 35 euros, which was roughly like $35 and some change or whatever, $36 American, to go from the Lisbon airport to where we're going, which isn't really that far, but I mean, like, I think like O'Hare to where we live in Chicago, that'd be like a black car, like a Uber Black. That's where essentially what we're getting. It'd be like $70 easily.
Everything is so expensive in the US. Oh, here I go saying that. No. So I'm bringing these, but I bought some sandwich bags that I'm gonna transfer snacks over. They will not get me, honey. They will not get me.
Chicken and waffles for breakfast.
How much chicken?
Not true. Frozen waffles, frozen chicken tenders. I made the sauce though.
Okay.
And syrup on top. So.
Thank you.
Yep.
Literally on my way to work. This is my last day working. Zach is already, his vacation already started. So I'm going in with a positive attitude, guys. But yeah, hopefully today goes by fast, and yeah, I'm gonna be happy. I'm gonna be working hard. So yeah, let's go. Hi guys, so this is the day that I'm gonna finally close my suitcase, okay? Like, it's been through some things. Right now we're actually running to the store to get me one last outfit, and then I'll be ready. Last minute things. So guys, I got some new shoes. And I also got an outfit for my birthday, so you guys will see it on my birthday. This is so exciting. So we're about to close the suitcase, guys.
Finally.
Let's do it. Okay, y'all saw us fighting. One of the zippers gave out, but you know, the other one came through. So that was our packing video. Like, technically me, y'all didn't really see Zach put stuff in his bag. We closed his bag earlier today, so yeah, we are ready to go. Yay! I'm in the spirit. I'm ready to fly. Got some headphones, got heck of snacks, and yeah, because, you know, trying to be budget friendly. Anyways, so if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, and we will see you guys in our next vlog.
In Lisbon.